Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. It is a brisk 19 degrees this morning, but we couldn't wait to get this installed on Bravo. This is the Edge Easy module for the 2526 Ram Cummins. It is a quick and easy way to get up to 100 horsepower on these bad boys. Driving this around for the past several months, one thing we've noticed is it's got a ton of just untapped potential. You can tell there's more to this motor than it comes from the factory, and this is a great way to get more power to the ground very easily. This is the Edge Easy module. It is a simple harness that plugs into the fuel rail and a data port, your battery, and boom, you're good to go. You download the app. It's got 5 different power levels that allow you to adjust on the fly. In addition, the throttle sensitivity for each individual power level. So let's get this thing open and see what comes in the box. So here's everything that it comes with. Pretty simple, really easy, hence the name Easy, and it's pretty straightforward. This is the harness that comes with it. This is going to plug into a data port that's right below your power steering reservoir. This plugs directly into your fuel rail, which is nice on these newer trucks. They actually moved that fuel rail connection. It used to be in the back. It is now in the front, so it's really easy access to that. And then here's your module. This plugs into your module. You get some double-sided Velcro, so you can Velcro it nice and neat out of the way, along with some zip ties so you can make sure all that wiring is nice and clean. I'm really excited to get this on this truck. I did the Easy X Edge module on my Power Stroke that I'm sure you guys have seen, and was blown away at how much it improved just the throttle response and the power to the wheels right out of the gate. So really excited to see what it's going to do on this Ram. Let's get into the install. Step one to anything going in under the hood, we like to disconnect the battery terminals just to minimize anything that could potentially go wrong. So you need a 10mm socket. We already disconnected the passenger side. We're going to disconnect the driver side. Then we can get right into this installation. Okay, step number one for this installation is going to be the fuel rail sensor. Now the fuel rail sensor is right down here with this little yellow tab. You're just going to pull back on that keeper. Pretty easy. And then you're just going to push on that keeper. That plugs out. You're going to plug this into the fuel rail, and then you're going to plug this right back into that fuel rail sensor, and it's got a keeper to lock that in place. So now we have to plug into the can, which is essentially kind of like a data port. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your power steering reservoir. Right below that, you'll see kind of a black T connector. You're gonna follow the wire that's going towards the front of the truck. And then once you do that, you'll find at the end, there is a little zip tie holding on a data port plug that has a rubber plug in the end of it. You're gonna snip that with some snip tools. That's gonna allow you to pull that out, and we're gonna plug this end of the harness right into it. Second to last thing we need to do here is get power to our harness. So there's a tab on each side of this cover right here. You just push those tabs in, this cover comes off, and then you have access to all these terminals right here. We are gonna take this connector and we are gonna take our 10mm and remove number 3, slide this on and retighten that bolt. So you get the number 3 nut on, or off, I'm sorry. Slide that down, tighten it back up. All right, now our cover should just simply pop right back on. Like so. Now that that's done, all we have to do is find a good mounting location for the module where we would plug the last piece of the harness into, and we have a perfect spot right here on top of this fuse panel. But as you can see, it's a little dirty, so we're gonna get some alcohol wipes. We're gonna clean that up, stick our double-sided Velcro on that, install that, plug this in, and then we are done with the installation. We just need to download the app and get it connected. Like I said, it is 19 degrees out here in the great PNW this morning, and the Velcro was a little stiff. So we're gonna warm it up by our heaters here and get this slapped on. One side goes to the fuse box panel, the other side is gonna go to the back of the module. Okay, now that the installation is complete, on the installation instructions, there's a QR code that's gonna scan you to prompt and download the Edge Easy app. We are just now launching it, so this is gonna be kind of as we go. You're gonna wanna key on your truck. It is currently searching for the module. You're gonna wanna make sure that you do allow Bluetooth access on the app. So once the app recognizes the module, when you're in the key on position, it will essentially connect to it. And right here, you have all your power levels. You got stock, 20 horse, 40 horse, 60 horse, 80 horse, and 110 horse. Boom, just like that. Of course, we gotta go to level 5. We're gonna button everything else up, do a little cleanup, and then go take this thing for a rip. Okay, we have officially got the Easy module installed. It is time to take this thing for a rip and see if there's anything noticeable. So for reference, we installed it. There is going to be a little bit of learning time for your transmission. There may be a little bit of starvation for fuel, but the longer you drive it, the more it'll learn, especially when you're on power level 5. So I had our marketing guys drive it around. This is a complete blind reaction. First time driving it with the Easy module, and we're gonna see what she can do. And here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I definitely feel more power. Okay, right out of the gate, that turbo seems to kick in a lot quicker than it normally did. When you change these power levels, it's also going to change that throttle sensitivity. I like. But you're still going to have a little bit of a lag. But I'll tell you one thing. It is a noticeable difference when it comes to that power right when you put that pedal down. Especially if you kind of slow roll into it, it seems like you're in power the whole time. If you're going from like foot off the gas to just stomping it, there's going to be a little bit of a lag, but you slow roll into it and you can feel that power instantly on level 5. Do another little pull here. Yeah, this thing's got a lot more in it. Can't say enough about this module for several reasons. One, easiest installation I've done on an electronic module that comes with a harness and everything for the amount of power gains that it comes with. So level 5 is 110 horsepower increase, and like I said, it is extremely noticeable on this truck. As I mentioned earlier, I think there's a lot of untapped potential on this platform, so I'm really excited to see what kind of performance we're going to get out of it with other parts. But that's just power, baby. Wow. That's impressive. Edge knocked it out of the park with this one. If you guys are looking to get an Easy module for your 2025 or 26 Ram, this is a no-brainer for me. It's easy, it's instant power. All the power levels can adjust right on the fly through their app. So if you're hooking up to a trailer and you want to get off level 5, it takes 2 seconds to swap that. Great product. Super impressed with how this thing performs now. Looking forward to really testing the longevity of it, running it through its paces over a couple months. But if you guys are looking to get one for your Ram, you can get it today at dieselpowerproducts.com.